Sorry. We're spending weekend together, like you just come now. So just go inside, let's freshen up, so you relax, then I'll serve you food.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
From our house.
Guy, calm down.
My baby, look at you. Any small thing, you just vex. Any small thing, you just vex. Be calming down. Look at me like See, I'm sorry about what happened between me and my friends the other day you came. I'm sorry. See, those two guys, they're my childhood friend. And because of that, we have known ourselves well. So anything, they like doing anyhow. But I'm sorry, yeah?
I like you.
Hey.
I can do anything for you.
Are you serious?
Yes, of course. Let's go to the room.
The room?
Yes.
And the other time I said, let's go, yeah.
It's because I was angry then.
So now let's go to the room.
Yes.
Hey!
I miss you so much.
Let's go. Come on, baby. Hey! Asa. Child.
Finally made it.
Yes.
Oh God. So you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready for you. Always ready for you.
Always.
Yeah.
Hey! Baby!
Yeah. Let me see.
See, you don't need to sit. Let's just get some action.
Do you have protection?
Protection.
Yes, of course.
Do we need it?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, wait. Just please.
Okay.
You know what? Just give me 1 minute.
Are you sure?
1 minute. Let me rush.
Please do. I'm in a hurry.
No, boy. Hey, sorry, wait.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah. Please go and get it.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please, give me condom.
Hold on, okay.
Brother Oyiko,
Daddy, hello, sir.
it's a pleasure to see you.
Same here, sir.
I've not been seeing you in church. What happened?
I've not been around, that's why. I've not been around.
I'm sorry, how many condoms should I give you?
I did not say condom.
That's what you said.
No, I said complex. I need complex.
Conflicts.
Yeah, complex.
In this shop.
Yes, complex.
We don't sell conflicts.
You don't say complex?
No, we don't sell.
Alright, sir, let me quickly get complex.
Okay, Oyiko. See you in church tomorrow,
Alright, sir.
Yeah. Give me condom.
I've seen it now, I know where it is. You're not sharp.
I'm not sharp.
You're not sharp. Don't you just be doing... See, Lord, keep the change and show me back to collect the change. I'm ready.
Shall go.
See, next time, you have to see.
But I should use what? Let me send you, say make you one come shop.
My change is how much?
Come back. You see, it's already come.
It's okay, keep my change, oh.
Nonsense.
It's sorry, bro.
Yeah!
Here she comes. Ah. Should be parlor, should be bathroom, should be kitchen. Don't buy a con now. I'll see this one. Eh?
Hello?
Hello, babe.
What are you calling me for?
Calm down now, calm down. You don't know what happened where I went to now.
I'm so bored. Is that the reason you have to stab me when I came to your house?
See, this is not one hour.
See, I don't need any explanation at all, okay?
See, I know you are hungry now, eh? I know you are hungry. And anytime you're hungry, that your fine smile used to come outside the window. I'm sure right now you're even smiling. Ah, girl! You're smiling now. You're smiling. See, this weekend, I've already said I want to do everything with you now. Eh? Let's do ourselves.
See the reason why I love you so much. You're my darling.
Eh, you are coming now, babe. Come on, let me just send you back. I should send you back.
Just go read that man. Oyik, Baba! Oyiko!
Wait. What am I hearing? It's not those guys' voice again.
Babe, it's not them. It's not them. It's just noise from outside.
You are not even serious. When you are serious, shut. Oh my god, you are playing with me.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
Hello?
You know Charlie, but why you blink?
Blade!
Afara!
Another time again. Another time again.
Jump the part first, give the part. Hey, hello.
Hey, look.
I mean, no, everything they blink.
I don't make it spoil too. Hey, come. See, the first time when I do, I live on that, everything go where slide. This time, I don't need to know what to do, but I don't spoil something too. Just shift. No be the part. Shift. So as it is now.
So you like that video that you watched just now, eh? Please subscribe to Oyikotv TV now. Please subscribe to this channel, Oyikotv TV. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Please subscribe.
Not bell notification, it's notification bell.
Okay, notification bell. Any of
Bell
them.
notification.
On it.
I confuse that. Please subscribe. Subscribe. We beg you.
Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you. Please subscribe. Please. Man, the damn bell. I'm gonna say that joke. Please subscribe. Turn on your notification post. Subscribe. Ah! We are not let come retire house.
Thank you.